So basically I found in this conference that I went to, a soap supply company that I've never used their products from before. I found this purple that I can't really even replicate with my paints right now, but it's a real like bright reddish purple. And to show you the difference here, let's see if I can get just a regular deep purple here. So there's a more of a bluish purple, which I have been using quite a bit, and I do like that color, but there's more of a purpley red color, and I think it's just a limitation of my watercolors that I can't really get what it is. But imagine like a reddish bright, almost grape purple, somewhere in between this. Probably if I added a little bit more here and let the light of the paper shine through a little bit, you could see what I'm talking about. But I'm going to be using that in the soap. The fragrance is Rainforest Gardenia, and it's from Muddy Soap Company, same company where I got this mica. So I'm going to have that and a really deep, almost navy blue, really bright blue. Probably a little darker, so I'm just add a little bit of black to get that. But it's still bright. So I'm going to have those two colors. But because Gardenia usually, I think of as a white soap, the base of my colors is going to be mainly white by use of titanium dioxide. But I really want to, I always say I want to just use a little bit of an accent color and I go overboard. But I really do, I want a little bit of green. Just because I've got to have something in there that is truly from the Gardenia, the green leaves. And the question is, can you have two different accent colors? And the answer is, in my book, yes. It depends on how you use them. So these are all basically like cool colors, but the green is further removed from this in that it's a smaller amount of green, but the blue and purple are related because there's blue and purple to make that color. There's green, which is a combination of the blue and yellow. So I'm sticking to colors that are somewhat related to each other, but they're these kind of outlier colors, and I can't really duplicate this right now either because I'm going to use a gold mica. So this orange is representing that, and just a little bit of mica drizzle up on top. So I can picture this, and I think you will be able to see what I mean once you see the finished soap. So that's the color tutorial right now. The reason why you can have so many colors and it still holds together is, again, because there's blue in the purple and there's blue in the green. So those are all next to each other on the color wheel. And then let's show you how I work with these in the soap. Thanks for tuning into this part.